Looking for a secure, lightweight messenger that works anywhere, even with weak internet? Let's talk about Zangi, is a free messaging and calling app, similar to WhatsApp or Telegram, but with a big focus on privacy and efficiency. It lets you make HD voice and video calls, send messages, and share files all without storing your data on central servers. The app uses peer-to-peer technology and end-to-end encryption. That means your conversations go directly between you and your contact, instead of passing through big data centers. Because of this, Zangi uses very little mobile data, making it work even with slow or unstable connections. People choose Zangi for three main reasons: strong privacy, no data collection, no tracking; low data usage, it can save up to 6 times more data compared to other apps; global reliability, it works in countries with restricted or weak internet access. So if you need a secure, fast, and data-saving way to stay connected, Zangi might be the app for you.